Hey everyone, my name is Donna and I wanted to get with you today about keto and my story. I just started several months ago doing keto and I wanted to share that journey with you and start cooking for you. Right now I've been on keto for, well, since October full force. I started kind of in September and then holidays came in Thanksgiving and December. You know, we had Christmas and I managed to not gain any weight. I didn't lose any weight, but I didn't gain any weight either. And I've been kind of plateaued since then. And now that Valentine's Day has come and gone, I cheated very badly on Valentine's Day and the day after. And so I kind of wanted to get with you about that and why I started keto in the first place. To begin with, I had for several years hurt really bad at night. I would come home and I would feel feverish. It wouldn't feel hot, but I'd feel feverish, body aches, and it was awful. And my joints would swell. And I posted it one time actually on Facebook and asked my friends, what's the deal? What is diabetes? What do I need? Is this a part of it? Because it's a part of my family and I wanted to know, am I on that track? Am I there? I know that since it's in my family, you know, it's something that's a possibility. And there were several nurses that posted and said, you know, when you eat sugar, it makes your body swell and your joints swell, and it makes you hurt. So that's why I started keto in the first place. And I've since lost 36 pounds, but I've kind of the last month or so been going back and forth with the last 5 pounds, gaining it back, losing it, back and forth, and I haven't really made any progress. So, Valentine's Day at school, I had a strawberry lemonade that was given to me and it was wonderful. I only drank half of it, but I did drink it. And then I had a cheesecake that the PTO had given to us for our Valentine's Day, and I had pizza because it's parent-teacher conferences, so I ate some of that. As usually I scrape the toppings off, but this time I thought, I'm hungry, I'm gonna go ahead and eat it. So like I said, I had been getting off of it. And then yesterday I went through Sonic and ate some of the Asian sweet chili chicken nugget things with the breading on it. And last night I had some candy, and last night it hit hard, very, very hard. I hurt really bad, just like I had before, and I had completely forgotten how bad it was. And then last night I felt feverish, I hurt, and I didn't have fever. I'm not sick. Clearly I'm not sick. This is the next day, but it was bad. And so I remembered, and I'm going back to keto, and I want to document that with you and cook, hopefully, recipes that you'll enjoy, that I'm going to experiment with and get back with and see if you enjoy it. So first things first, I have here in my kitchen on my table here, let's see if I can make this work. I have some broccoli over here that I'm going to use. I'm going to actually do something a little different. I'm going to put this on pause and I'm going to reverse my camera. Okay, there we go. That's much better. So I have some broccoli that I'm going to put as my base, and I'm going to add some cauliflower to that. I'm going to go ahead and put some chicken inside of my pressure cooker. Then I'm going to put some cream of mushroom soup, and yes, it does have 1 gram of sugar in it, but 1 gram for all of this is not bad. And then I have some fancy Thai seasoning that my son had, and I thought, ooh, I'm going to try that. Red curry paste. And I went shopping yesterday and forgot to buy onions, but I had this in the cabinet. And when I was a kid, I hated tasting real onion. I wanted it to be minced because I was a Winnie. And, you know, so we're going to just use that because I don't have real onions. And then I'm a sucker for minced garlic. So we're going to go ahead and I'm going to put this chicken in my pressure cooker and cook it for about an hour. And it's going to come out really nice and tender. And while that's cooking, I'm going to work on the broccoli. Okay, I'm back again. Now you see me setting this down. This is really cool. I bought this tripod. I don't even remember where, on Amazon probably, because that's where I buy most everything. It's a little remote control clicker. Very cool. All right, so here is my pressure cooker. Let me turn the camera a little bit so you can see what I'm doing. Okay. Here's my pressure cooker. I bought this at Sam's. It's wonderful. So much better than a crock pot. But if you like the slow cooking and you want to do it for 8 hours, that's up to you. I personally don't. I like to do it much faster. So this does not have a zippy seal, so I'm going to have to put it back in the Ziploc bag and freeze whatever I don't use. For this chicken, I'm going to just put it in here, several pieces because I have a big family. Nice little pieces in here too. That's nice. Okay, I think I may stop it. I'm going to put this in a Ziploc bag in a minute. I'm going to wash my hands. So even though the chicken is frozen, it's still chicken. And it still has raw properties on it, and you don't want to spread that. All right, so per the suggestion of my son, I need to taste this before I use it. It's good. This is gonna be good. Okay, I'm putting like a couple spoonfuls. See? I'm just dumping it in there. Put that back in the fridge. I'm going to put my cream of mushroom in there. And again, it only has 1 gram of sugar. I say only, it has sugar in it, but with all the food that's gone in it, that's just a little bit, and that's nothing compared to a donut or pizza. By the way, pizza crust turns to sugar. Flour turns to sugar. Should not eat it. You can eat coconut flour, almond flour. I made a dessert the other day that had almond flour as the crust. It was really good. It's chocolate silk pie. We might have to do that at one point. I like my onion. Don't judge. And minced garlic. And I need another spoon. Ah. All right, I'm gonna grab a spoon from behind where you are. There we go. I like my garlic. Okay. And then this is frozen green peppers, frozen chopped green peppers. I think it might add a neat little flavor to it. So I'm going to try that. Fill it up. All right. Right here, and plug it in. That would help. Plug it in. Okay, there's a spot right here for chicken. I'm gonna put it on an hour and then walk away from it. Probably in about 30 minutes, I'll start working on the broccoli and the base. Hi, it's me again. I went ahead and put my hair back because I have a lot of hair and I didn't want it here in my food. But we have right here, you can see it says 28 minutes. And so I'm gonna go ahead and start working on the broccoli. Okay, so I have my pan right here. I have my cauliflower and 2 bags of broccoli. I have 5 people that are going to be eating this, so it's going to be kind of big. I have my olive oil right here. I'm going to put in it. And of course my garlic and some black pepper. Just a little bit of this just to add a little funky spice. And of course my minced onions. that on my stove. Okay, I'm gonna put that on the stove. Turn this on to medium. Oop, hi, it's brand new. Okay. Put a little bit of oil in there. First things first, I'm gonna go ahead and put my garlic in there. It feels tough. Not as much as I put in the chicken because, you know, it's already gonna be really garlicky. We don't need a whole bunch more. Put this behind me. And a little bit of pepper. I don't want to do the side that pours a whole bunch because that'll be just a lot. Some minced onion. One of my favorite things to do is to drink coffee. And in the mornings, I used to drink hazelnut creamer in my coffee. The liquid kind, you know, that you can buy at Walmart that's already pre-made and blah, 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 blah. And that has a lot of sugar in it. So I have started using heavy cream. I was tested for carpal tunnel at one point and had my surgery and stuff, but you know how they shock your hands to test you and stuff. The neurologist, when he did that, he would tell me that heavy cream is like crack. It's just wonderful stuff. So he suggested I start using that instead of creamer, but I like the flavoring and I like the sugar, but this is sugar-free hazelnut and it's wonderful. So I put this in my heavy cream because I cannot just have just straight coffee in my coffee. And then someone else suggested putting coconut oil and butter in it to help get the fats into your body with the coffee. Someone once called it bullet coffee. I don't know if that's correct or not, but it helps curb my appetite for a while and it keeps me awake. I'm a coffee freak. I love my coffee. All right. I'm gonna cut open my cauliflower. Pull that in. And then my broccoli. I'm glad I have my hair pulled back because they're doing right there. And I'm a busy mom. I know I could do fresh. It's so much easier to do frozen. Save space. I don't have vegetables waste. So I buy the frozen vegetables a lot of times. I'm gonna just break it apart. And then I'm gonna put a lid on it and cook it for a little bit. And it is right here. And there we go. Hello. I'm still cooking my broccoli right here. And this is now on 18. So the chicken and all of that will be done. And it's gonna have a lot of really good broth. And so what I'm gonna do with it is I'm gonna take some sour cream and some heavy cream and some coconut milk, unsweetened coconut milk, and I'm gonna create a little sauce to go over everything. And I'll put the chicken inside of it and we'll see how it goes. I'm gonna cook the broccoli a little bit longer, but I'm not gonna make you sit here for all that. One important thing about the keto diet is that you need to keep eating your fats and keep it in your diet. So I think I'm gonna try to put some butter in my broccoli while it cooks. Just put that whole stick in there and I'll cook it down. I went ahead and took the curry from before, this Thai red curry paste, and I went ahead and put some of it, not a lot, some of it in the broccoli just to cook it around and to match over there. Of course, it has the red spicy sauce, sriracha sauce, so it's gonna have a little bit of a kick too. And I like spice. One thing that you'll notice is I am not high tech. I don't usually measure a whole bunch of stuff. I might if I find a recipe that I'm new at, but I'm just a regular old gal. And I just dropped a whole bunch of cauliflower. Regular old gal. Hopefully making something that you'll like, that you'll want to eat. Okay, I thought I'd just give you a close-up look here at the broccoli and how it's cooking. It's looking really good. No, that's not been in there that long. Okay. I only have 3 minutes left. I don't know if you can see that. 3 minutes left on my chicken. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this down, probably off because it feels like it's good and done, and get back to you. Okay, so it has buzzed, and you're going to want to make sure that when you come up here, you do this little number with a spoon. You don't touch it. Don't touch it. That's why. And let this thing go. Let's get out away from my cabinet a little bit. Before you open that lid. Now it has a nice little locking mechanism right there. And it will not let you open it if there's still steam. And you just let it go. Okay, so it's almost done. And I'm just going to let you watch and kind of see what happens. For any of you that have not ever used a pressure cooker before, make sure you got it here on top. Just put a big bigger dough. May not be as close to finishing as I thought, but I'll show you anyway. Here. This part right here is going to do something. Almost there. Well, sorry, I thought we were closer than that, but it's really close now, and I hate to start over. So you see that came in there, and then this little red light went off, and now I can turn it and lift it off. Lifting with the lid away from me. I'm looking there at that chicken. Whoop, 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 whoop. Okay. Okay. Now I'm going to lift the pot and pour the juice in here. Apologize, I don't have fancy pots. I'm just a regular old gal, but regular old pots cook just as well. I'll get my little pot holders on here. I'm just going to pour this juice right in here. Woo! Cheers. All right. We'll put the chicken in there in just a minute. But for now, I just want the juice. Okay, so turn my stove on. I'll clean that up in a minute when you're not around. I'm gonna put some sour cream. Again, I just dump. My favorite way to make fettuccine with spaghetti squash is the homemade way with the heavy whipping cream, sour cream, cream cheese. Lots of nice fat in that. And I don't know about y'all, but I love to save these. We have chickens and have fresh eggs, and so I have grown boys, one married and with a baby on the way, and I love to clean these, keep these, and send fresh chicken eggs in these home with them. So I'll be doing that in a little bit. And put some heavy cream in here. That's probably about a cup, half cup, 3/4 cup, I don't know. I'll measure it in just a minute. And a little bit of that. But this is more runny, so I don't want to use too much. My fancy handy dandy little whisk. And the sour cream makes it nice and thick. Okay, get that boil in there. Okay, while that's boiling, I'm gonna get the chicken out, shred it up, and put it in there. Time out. Okay, I have my tools now. This thing, I got at the Dollar Tree. It's very cool. Let's see if you can see it. Scooped, it's wonderful. For $1. Whoop, whoop, love that. I'm gonna scoop these things out of here. Just put it on there for now, a little bit at a time. As you can see, it just falls right apart. I don't know if you can see that from here. You can't. Okay, hang on. Okay, so this is the chicken, and I'm just gonna pull it apart like so, one-handed because I'm using this thingy so you can see what I'm doing. I'm just squishing it apart. That's the curry. It'll blend together better here in just a second. And I'm gonna do this to all of the chicken that's in there, and I will be right back to you. Okay, so I've done, I have shredded the chicken. Now I'm just gonna dump it in here. I put most of it already in here, but this is for your sake so you can see what I'm doing. Just put it in the broth that I'm cooking. Kind of like a gravy, but it's a keto gravy, so it's gonna be good. All right, I'm just gonna stir this around. Don't get on my burner. Yeah, that's gonna be good. And then we're just gonna pour it over the broccoli. Okay. Family's not here yet. They're gone seeing a movie, and I wanted to try my first video by myself without any pressure of anybody watching or any of that, because I'm not sure exactly how to do this completely yet. So I'm gonna turn this around and show you. Maybe I have to pause it first, I guess. All right, so here's the chicken in the broth. And then here is our broccoli and cauliflower. And I do have one son home, so I'm gonna put a plate together and let him be my guinea pig, and then let him see how it tastes. Okay, so he didn't want his face in it, but I'm gonna show you the food. This is the broccoli with the cream, the sauce on it with all the chicken and stuff, and we're gonna see and listen to how he likes it or not, because he doesn't want me to show his face. It's very, very, very hot, so be careful. Yeah, blow on it a lot.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm fresh out of the pan.
Good?
Yeah, it's really good,
Okay.
actually.
The curry good? The curry paste?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Awesome. Yay. So there you go. I'm going to go ahead and turn this off. Should have done that just a second ago. But if you like this or you enjoy it, I'm going to try to start posting more and do more about my journey, and hopefully keep you along with me and see if I can lose some more weight or not, and post some more keto recipes. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, please. Thank you.